Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about bookmarks in the Chrome browser. When you first sign into your Google account on your Chrome browser or in your Gmail account, your bookmark bar does not show by default. To have your bookmark bar show, when the browser is open, go to the upper right corner to see the three-dot ellipse. Click on that, and here is where your bookmarks are. You want to select Show Bookmark Bar. Now your bookmarks will show. You can even go now right to where the bookmark bar is and right click, and this is where you could also turn off if you don't want to see the bookmark bar. But one thing, if you do have bookmarks already in place, your bookmarks will show in a new tab window whether you hide or show your bookmark bar. I like keeping my bookmarks organized. If you look at my bookmark bar, I have everything separated by curriculum, technology. I have all shortcuts to other websites within folders. To keep yourself organized with your bookmark bar, all you have to do is go to the three-dot ellipse, go to Bookmarks, and go to your Bookmark Manager. When you're in your Bookmark Manager, in the upper right corner again, there's another set of three-dot ellipse. When you click on that, now this also shows where you can do a new bookmark, a new folder. You can import bookmarks from another browser such as Internet Explorer. You can even export your existing bookmarks if you want to import them into a browser such as Internet Explorer. Another cool thing you can do with your bookmark bar is go right into your Google Drive and you can bookmark your Google Drive so it shows right on your bookmark bar. Let's go back into the three-dot ellipse and let's go to Bookmarks and let's open up Bookmark Manager again. You can go to the three-dot ellipse, or you can also just right-click on any of your bookmarks. And you can edit that bookmark, and I'm going to take the name and make it shorter. Save. Now it doesn't take up as much room on my bookmark bar. The bookmark underneath of it that says Classroom, Google Drive, I'm going to right-click on that, edit, and I'm going to remove the words Google Drive, so it only says Classroom. Save. Now when you look up at my bookmark bar, you can see it has just the My Drive and it has just the Classroom. I want you to look at this icon here. That's for Dropbox. You can take any of the existing icons that you have on your bookmark bar, right click, edit, and you can completely remove the name. Save. And you can have your bookmark bar just full of icons going across. And when you hover over that icon, it will say what the URL is for that specific icon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.